So we're finishing up 4.8, and it is the rate times time equals distance problems, and we're going to do number 7, which is on page 170. At 9:30, Andrew left Exeter, heading to Portsmouth, biking 12 miles per hour. Okay, so I'm going to draw this. Exeter for Portsmouth. He left at 9:30 at a rate of 12 miles per hour. And he left at 9:30. I'm just going to write it down. I'm not really sure what I need. At 10 a.m., so a half hour later, so that means t minus a half, so that means we're going to call him t. A half hour later, our friend Stacy left, heading for Exeter, which is the opposite direction, going 16 miles per hour. Okay, so the whole thing started at 9:30, which we're going to call t. A half hour later, Stacy left, going in the opposite direction. The distance from Exeter to Portsmouth is 20 miles. When did they meet? Which means, at what time did Andrew's biking added to Stacy's biking cover the entire 20 miles? Okay, so Andrew was 12 and Stacy is 16. Okay, so she's 16 t minus a half hour. She was traveling a half hour less. Okay, at what time did their travels result in them meeting somewhere? Maybe right there, who knows, because she's faster. At what time? So if the distance is 20 miles apart, then that means Andrew's travels added to Stacy's travels had to cover the 20 miles in order for Stacy's half added to Andrew's half to cover the whole 20 miles. So here we go. 16t and 8 looks like what we get there. So we've got 12t added to 16t. 16 times a negative half is going to be a negative 8. All of that combined equals 20. 28t, let's add 8 to both sides right here, guys, equals, oh look, 28. T equals 1, which is 1 hour. So at what time? Well, the entire adventure began at 9:30 a.m. Okay, so you add 1 hour to when this all started, not to when the second guy started. Okay, it's all based off of when the adventure began. So 1 hour later from 9:30 is going to be 10:30 a.m. That is when they met. Okay.